Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add an Instagram feed to your Wix website. This is a fantastic way to showcase your social media content directly on your site, keeping your visitors engaged with your latest posts and updates. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, head over to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. From here, look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. This will trigger a drop-down selection to appear, giving you access to your site management options. From this drop-down, you can preview the website settings you currently have. This step is important because you want to make sure that this is the correct website where you wish to add your Instagram feeds. Take a moment to confirm you're working with the right site before moving forward. Once you've confirmed, locate the Design Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically positioned beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Click on this button to proceed to the next stage. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the design magic happens. From here, start by locating the Add Apps button on the left navigation panel of your editor screen and click on it. This button opens up a world of integrations that can enhance your website's functionality. The Add Apps menu will expand, and from here you'll see various apps you can integrate and add to your Wix website. On this page, locate the search bar and type in Instagram feed parenthesis, new parenthesis, and hit enter. You're looking for the one that has showcase your Instagram feed on your site as its description. Click on it and you'll be directed to the overview page where you can read through all the app's functions and features. Scroll down to see user reviews and plan and pricing details. This gives you a good sense of what you're getting before committing. Once you're ready, click on Add to Site. A permission window will appear asking for certain access rights. Read through the details and the permissions the app requests carefully. Once you're comfortable with everything, click on Agree and Add to move forward. The installation will now start, and this might take a while, so be patient as the app integrates with your site. Once the installation finishes, an Instagram feed element will be automatically added to your website. Now comes the fun part, adding your personal feed. Click on the element and you'll see an account setting button appear. Click on it and it will prompt you to connect your account. Click on the Connect button from the small window that pops up and simply log in to your Instagram account. Once logged in, it will now display the feeds from your Instagram directly on your Wix website, bringing your social content to life right where your visitors can see it. And that's it, you've successfully added your Instagram feed to your Wix website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.